Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to morph in Adobe Animate. Morphing in Adobe Animate, especially with basic shapes, can be achieved using a feature called shape tweening. Shape tweening allows you to animate a smooth transition from one shape to another. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Start a new project or just open an existing one. Choose the oval tool from the toolbar, then draw your first shape on the stage. Make sure the shape is not converted into a symbol. It should remain as a basic shape on the stage. Move to a different point in the timeline, for example, frame 20. Right-click on this frame, then choose Insert Keyframe, or just press F6. This duplicates your initial shape into the new keyframe. With the new keyframe selected, modify the shape to what you want it to morph into. For example, use the selection tool, or just press the V to drag the points of the shape. Once you drag it into another place, click on the empty space, then use the sub-selection tool, or just press the A button on your keyboard. Then expand the box to capture the circle to edit anchor points and curves. Once you are done editing your anchor points and the curves of the circle, click on the first frame of your timeline, where your initial shape is, and drag to choose the span of frames up to the second keyframe, where your final shape is. Right-click on the selected span of frames in the timeline, and choose Create Shape Tween. You'll notice the frames turn into a green color with an arrow pointing from the first frame to the last, indicating that the shape tween is applied. Move the playhead back to the start and press Enter to preview the animation. You should see your first shape morph smoothly into the second shape over the selected frames. By following these steps, you can create a smooth morphing effect between basic shapes and Adobe Animate, adding a dynamic and visually interesting element to your animations. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.